If your SaaS is struggling to get users to convert from free trials to paid users, chances are there's a leak in your funnel, and this is what we go over in on this channel every day. Okay, so today, just to illustrate that aspect, I'm going to go through Activator, which is basically a platform that allows businesses uh, to use this service as a customer data platform, and also in order to use to do multi-channel marketing. Okay, so sending text messages, emails, and stuff like that. So immediately we can see the headline is quite clear, and sub-headline clearly states what they do. It's quite transparent, which is good. Then they've got it here above the fold. So if you click on get a demo, you can see it immediately. There we got this contact form, and then we're asked to basically fill out our information and submit it. Um, the well, the headline, the subheadline here is not very uh important. Let's say, because it's just asking you to say it's just saying take the first step towards achieving your dealership goals. Okay, ideally it would be better if they were more specific in terms of what's going to happen once a prospect is submitting um their contact details. Okay, right. And also, in order to increase the number of opt-ins, it might be helpful to add some kind of lead magnet in order to incentivize the prospect to submit their details, whether that is a freebie, a discount, or anything basically that will encourage prospects to provide their contact details. But anyway, if we scroll down, we can see we are hit with an instant element of credibility, because they have been working with some very high profile brands like Volkswagen, Honda, and Jeep. So it means that they know what they're doing, which is good. Ford, stuff like that. Okay, so here they explain more about what they offer. As stated before, they're able to give you basically offer you a customer data platform specifically in order to gather data from first party and third party data sources. And you can also do multi-channel marketing as stated before. So, and this is you've got all the reasons why you should sign up, right? From being able to keep track of your sales, and also to the fact that you're able to basically reach and engage more with active shoppers online. And the good thing here is that they've also got some stats, and these stats are helpful in order to you know um, enhance the positive aspect that they've got in the prospects' minds. And the beautiful thing is they've also got some really cool case studies, which are good to increase their social proof and credibility. Um, and it would also help the prospect to understand what working with this company would feel like. Okay, so clearly here stating that, for example, Jim Hudson Ford has been able to use the pro version of Activator in order to surpass its ambitious monthly goals and enhance the vehicle acquisition rates, which is great. And again, they ask you for the same demo contact form like before. So potentially they could add a frequently asked questions section at the bottom of the page, to handle any objections that prospect might have about using this service. And also potentially, um, if we go and check up at the top, potentially adding some of the reviews as well, or testimonials that they might have somewhere along the page, especially above the fold here, since there's a lot of empty space, might help with the instant credibility, especially if they did that above the fold. But other than that, I think this is everything, and with a few more tweaks here and there, they might be able to increase the conversions even more. And so if you happen to run a SaaS business and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, click on the link down below in the description.